Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of this rather special 2013 Mini Cooper. This car comes with the 1.6 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 122 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 52 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 17 and the car's covered just over 18,000 miles, so very low mileage, and comes with full service history. This particular colour is called the Velvet Silver and looks in good condition for age and mileage of the car. When this car was originally built, the first owner chose nearly £6,000 worth of factory options, which can be seen in our description. But I'll read off a few for you. So first of all, you've got these seats here with the cross-check pattern through the centre and the champagne edges. And then onto the dashboard, you have your DAB radio there in the centre with a CD player, and this also has Bluetooth for your phone. Below that you have your climate control, so that was an upgrade. And below that, your toggle switches, you've got on either side your heated front seat controls. On the steering wheel you have your multi-function buttons there, and then on these stalks on the left hand side you've got your automatic headlights, and then on the right hand side there you've also got your automatic wipers. And then on the driver's door card here you have your folding mirror controls. As we open the tailgate, you then have your split folding rear seats, your parcel shelf is still in place, and then also your cargo net as well, so that's good to see. They often go missing once a car gets sold on. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights and the 16-inch upgraded alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.